Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this Citroen C4 BlueHDi Feel with a 1.6 litre diesel engine and coming in a beautiful grey colour. This is enhanced by the chrome exterior features as well as the black window surrounds, roof spoiler, light tinted windows adding to not only the look of the car but the security, and the 16-inch Wembley alloy wheels. This car benefits from LED daytime running lights ensuring great vision of the road night and day, as well as the electrically adjustable heated door mirrors. To the rear of the car we have this boot space with the very convenient spare wheel just underneath the boot floor. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with Isofix points on the outside too. We have the two-tone cloth upholstery with the front seats being manually adjustable, paired perfectly with the door and dash inserts brightening up the cabin of the car. On the dash we have the black leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel helping you safely and easily control the cruise control as well as the infotainment device features. In the centre of the dash we have the radio which features DAB digital radio as well as FM and AM, Bluetooth connectivity so you can always listen to your favourite playlist, as well as other car settings. This car benefits from cruise control with speed limiter as well as the power assisted steering. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.